Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Speaking Zone. My name is Priya.
My name is Rahul.
Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, Priya. How are you today?
I am doing well. And you?
I am fine and feeling fresh.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I woke up a little late today.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do yoga and sometimes jogging.
That's a good habit.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, drink water, and exercise.
I also follow a similar routine.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read English books to improve my language.
What did you eat today?
I had bread, butter, and tea.
I had eggs and milk.
Do you cook yourself?
Sometimes, but mostly my mother cooks.
What are you studying these days?
I am focusing on English speaking.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
How do you practice English?
I watch videos, listen carefully, and speak daily.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but mistakes help us learn.
Hello, Priya. Are you free?
Yes, I am free now. What happened?
Let's go outside in the evening.
Sure, I would love to. Where should we go?
Let's go to the park.
Good idea.
Do you like nature?
Yes, it relaxes my mind.
Waiter, hello. What would you like?
I would like a cup of coffee.
I will have tea.
Waiter, anything else?
No, that's all.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but not too much.
I want to buy a dress.
Let's go to the shop.
Shopkeeper, how can I help you?
Show me some dresses.
This one looks nice.
Yes, I like it.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because it is important for my future.
Do you feel shy while speaking?
Yes, sometimes.
Don't worry. Practice daily.
What will you eat tonight?
I will eat rice and curry.
I prefer roti and vegetables. Today was very productive.
Yes, we learned and practiced a lot.
I feel more confident now.
That's great to hear.
Good night, Rahul.
Good night, Priya.